In the soft light of early morning, colorful birds fill the forest with life and energy. Bright feathered parrots, tiny hummingbirds, and cheerful songbirds gather on the branches, creating a lively and vibrant scene. Some birds hop from twig to twig, playfully chasing each other, while others spread their wings and glide gracefully through the air. Their songs blend together into a natural melody, echoing through the trees. As the day begins, many birds set out to search for food. Some skillfully catch insects in midair, while others peck at fruits or sip nectar from blooming flowers. High above, a few birds carefully select safe spots among the leaves and begin building their nests, using small twigs, grass, and soft materials to create a cozy home. Throughout the day, the branches are never still. Wings flutter, feathers shimmer in the sunlight, and gentle chirping fills the atmosphere. This daily rhythm of flying, feeding, nesting, and playing turns the trees into a bustling world full of color, movement, and harmony. In the quiet beauty of nature, colorful birds bring life and energy to the trees as they skillfully hunt for food. Perched gracefully on slender branches, their feathers shine in brilliant shades of red, yellow, blue, and green, glowing under the warm sunlight. These vibrant birds stay alert, their sharp eyes scanning the surroundings for tiny insects, fruits, or small prey. With quick and precise movements, they hop from branch to branch, fluttering their wings lightly as they chase their targets. Some birds tilt their heads curiously before striking, while others dive swiftly through the air with impressive speed and accuracy. Their melodious chirping fills the forest, creating a lively and harmonious atmosphere. As they feed and interact with one another, the trees become a stage of constant motion and color. This daily scene not only shows their survival skills, but also paints a breathtaking picture of nature's beauty and balance. In the heart of a vibrant forest, flocks of colorful birds gather on branches painted with shades of green, gold, and crimson, creating a lively and mesmerizing scene. These birds, with feathers glowing like tiny rainbows, hop playfully from twig to twig, their movements light and graceful. Some sing sweet, melodious songs that echo through the trees, filling the air with a sense of joy and harmony, while others chirp rapidly as if sharing secrets of the wild. In between their cheerful performances, they suddenly become skilled hunters, darting through the leaves to catch insects or pecking at ripe fruits hidden among the branches. Their sharp eyes and quick reflexes make every movement precise and elegant. As sunlight filters through the canopy, it reflects off their brilliant feathers, making the whole forest shimmer with life and color. Together, these birds create a dynamic and enchanting picture of nature, where beauty, energy, and survival blend perfectly in every moment. In the golden light of morning's gentle glow, bright feathers shimmer as soft breezes blow. On emerald branches high above the ground, colorful birds gather, their songs all around. Scarlet wings flutter with elegant grace. Blue and gold flashes light up every space. Tiny green sparrows hop branch to branch, while parrots chatter in a lively trance. They sing to the sunrise in sweet harmony, a chorus of joy from each lively tree, melodies dancing through leaves fresh and new, carried by whispers of sky-colored blue. Some search for berries in clusters so bright, others catch insects in swift, playful flight, beaks tapping gently on bark old and wise, hidden life stirring beneath nature's disguise. Nests woven tightly with patience and care, cradling dreams in the soft forest air. Mothers and fathers take turns through the day, guarding their young in a tender ballet. At noon, they rest in the shade, cool and deep, where quiet winds lull the forest to sleep, yet soon they awaken with energy free, dancing once more through their vibrant tree. As sunset paints skies in orange and red, they settle down where the leafy paths spread. Their final songs drift in twilight's embrace, a peaceful ending to nature's soft grace. Oh, colorful birds of the forest so fair, with beauty and life beyond all compare, each day you paint the world lively and true, with songs, wings, and colors in every hue.
ദേ, മോനെ തൊട്ടോ.